Exercise number 3, page number 147. Enter the following transaction in Ahmed's cash book with discount on cash columns. 2017 October 1, cash balance, cash sales, paid to Valen, sold goods to Perumal on credit. This transaction is on credit transactions. So you are recording the transactions in a cash book. So you can omit this one. Then cash withdrawn from personal expenses, purchased goods from Subramanian. It is on credit transaction. You can omit. Paid into bank, cash received, draw a check for office use, paid cash to Gopalakrishnan. It is on paid cash to Subramanian, cash purchases, and cash paid for advertising. From that given transaction, first you can classify what are the transactions you are going to omit. We are going to omit two transactions. That credit transaction you are going to omit, the transaction number 13 and 16 you are going to omit. Then after that, second stage you are going to classify the transactions into two. What are receipts, what are payments. First one they given as a cash balance, so you can go for right in the debit side. Why you are writing the transaction on debit side? In the sense the normal balance of cash is on debit, so write in a first transaction two balance brought down 37,500. Then it is on cash sales, it is on receipt, it is paid, it is on payment, sold goods we are omitted. Then cash withdrawn from personal expenses. The cash withdrawn for in the sense we are drawn that amount from business. So drawings account data to cash account only, the journal entry for this one. So this transaction you are recorded in the credit side. Then purchased goods from Subramanian. So it is on credit transaction, you leave that one. Then paid into bank, the cash moves out from the business. So it is on payment. It is on a receipt. Then draw a check for office use. We draw a check for office use. We are taking a cash from the bank. It is on receipt. Then it is on payment. Then paid cash to Subramania on settlement. It's on payment side. Then cash purchases, payment side. Cash paid for advertising. This transaction also it is on payment side. Now you can pass on to how to record the transactions in your notebook. See to that. It is your center of your notebook. It is on left hand side. It is on right hand side. Left hand side top corner right. It is on DR. It is on debit side. In the credit side, you can in the top corner can go for it is on credit. Write the heading in the books of Ahmad, cash and cash book for cash and discount column. Date, receipts, R by N, it is on receipt number. L bar F, it is on ledger folio. Discount allowed, then cash column. As like you can go for credit side. Date, payments. Here it is on V bar N, it is on voucher number. Ledger folio, discount received, then cash. Without fail you can go for rupees and paise. You can write in the topmost you can go for draw a line. Before and after that headings you can draw a line. Then in a left hand side 2017 month and the date. As like in the credit side also year, month and the date. The debit side the transaction starts with 2, credit side starts with by. The first transaction in the question it is given, it is on cash balance, so to balance brought down 37,500. The next one it is on cash sales. First transaction cash balance 37,500. So to write to balance brought down 37,500. The next one cash sales, it is on 33,000. It is on cash sales, so it is on one of a receipt. So it is on debit side 33,000. The next one paid to Valen. So by Valen rupees 15,850. And 150 it is on discount. In அந்த அமௌண்ட் எங்கே எழுதுறீங்கன்னா அதுக்கு நியர்பை யூ கேன் ரைட் த டிஸ்கவுண்ட், தட்ஸ் ஆல். There is no other such as changes. Then sold goods to Perumal on credit, it is on credit transaction you can omit. Then cash withdrawn for personal expenses. So personal expenses in this case, the journal entry for that one, it is on drawings account data to cash account. So it is on credit side by drawings, it is on 4,800. Then purchased goods from Subramanian, it is on credit transaction, you can leave. Then paid into bank 22,700, paid into bank, so the cash moves out from the business, so the transaction recorded in a credit side 22,700. Then cash received from Perumal in full settlement. Cash received from Perumal rupees 19,000 given. But you can see to that in before we purchased the goods from Perumal, it is on 19,200. But we make a payment of only 19,000 only. The difference of 200 is treated as one of the discount. Then draw a check for office use. You draw amount from a bank rupees 17,500. So the cash get into the business 17,500. Then paid cash to Gopalakrishnan 2,950, 50 rupees on discount. Then paid cash to Subramanian and settled his account. Paid cash to Subramanian 14,200, but we purchased goods for 14,300 in the past transaction is given. So the difference of 100 rupees is treated as a discount. Then cash purchases 13,500. Cash purchase 13,500. The transaction, it is on 29 by purchases, it is on 13,500. Then cash paid for advertising 1,500. Now you can go for total of find the total of both the side. It is on cash book. The normal balance of cash book, it is on debit only. So you must get the highest total in the debit side. That total you can record here. The same total you can go for record in this side. Find out